What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in kitchen gear. Today, we're talking about the best electric kettles of 2024. If you're looking for fast boiling, precise temperature control, and sleek designs, you're in the right place. Whether you're brewing the perfect cup of tea, or coffee, or just need hot water in seconds, these kettles are the top-rated choices this year. So, if you want to know which electric kettles are the best in 2024 and why, stay tuned. Let's dive right in. Number 1. BALMUDA The Kettle. BALMUDA The Kettle is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a delightful companion for your daily tea or coffee rituals. The BALMUDA minimalist aesthetics make it a standout piece on any countertop, crafted from painted stainless steel. Its alluring texture and gentle light glow elevate the simple act of boiling water. Whether you're a design enthusiast or simply appreciate beautiful objects, this kettle won't disappoint. BALMUDA strikes the right balance between capacity and convenience, holding approximately 0.6 liters or 20 fluid ounces. It's ideal for everyday use. Brew 3 standard cups of coffee or 2 large mugs without wasting excess water. Plus, its lightweight build ensures easy handling. The Gooseneck spout design is where BALMUDA truly shines. Say goodbye to accidental spills. Smaller in size, but big on efficiency, the BALMUDA kettle heats water faster than its larger counterparts, no more impatiently waiting for your morning brew. This kettle gets the job done swiftly. A tiny neon tube in the handle emits a delicate glow. Not only does it look cool, but it also serves a purpose. The power light is visible from any angle, adding a touch of elegance to the boiling process. Safety matters, and BALMUDA understands that the kettle automatically turns off when the water reaches the desired temperature. No more worrying about forgetting to switch it off. It's got you covered. In summary, the BALMUDA kettle combines style, functionality, and thoughtful design. Whether you're a tea lover or a coffee connoisseur, this kettle adds a touch of elegance to your daily routine. Just press the lever down. Enjoy the gentle glow and savor your perfectly brewed beverage. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. Number 2. Breville Smart Kettle Luxe. The next one on our list is Breville Smart Kettle Luxe, a sleek and intelligent addition to your kitchen with its thoughtful features and stylish design. This kettle elevates your tea and coffee brewing experience. The Smart Kettle Luxe is all about precision. It boasts 5 pre-programmed temperature settings to cater to different types of teas and French press coffee. Whether you're craving a robust black tea, a delicate green tea, or a fragrant oolong, this kettle has you covered. It even knows the ideal temperature for each variety, ensuring optimal taste and quality. No more guesswork. Have you ever had a boiling brew splash out of the kettle? The Smart Kettle Luxe addresses this with its soft opening lid. It gently releases steam, preventing hot water splashes and making your pouring process safer and more controlled. The kettle one-touch keep warm button keeps your water at the desired temperature for up to 20 minutes, perfect for those leisurely mornings or cozy afternoons. No more overfilling or wasting water. The Smart Kettle Luxe features dual-sided high-visibility water windows, so you can easily check the water level and heat precisely what you need. The best part, these windows are made from BPA-free materials, so you can brew with peace of mind. Generous capacity, with 57 ounces or 1.7 liter capacity, this kettle can serve up to 7 cups, whether you're hosting a tea party or simply enjoying a quiet moment. It's got you covered. The kettle includes auto shut-off and boil dry protection, ensuring safety and peace of mind. No more worrying about leaving the kettle unattended. In summary, the Breville Smart Kettle Luxe combines functionality, aesthetics, and intelligence. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Cuisinart GK-1 Digital. Our next pick is Cuisinart GK-1 Digital. This innovative kettle is designed to elevate your pour-over coffee or tea brewing experience. The Cuisinart GK-1 features a custom-designed gooseneck spout that ensures precise pour control, whether you're brewing coffee or tea. This spout allows for a slow, steady pour, which is essential for optimal flavor extraction. Say goodbye to uneven water distribution. Filling the kettle is a breeze with the easy open lid. No more struggling to remove the lid, just pop it open and add water effortlessly. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort. It stays cool even when the kettle is hot, making it safe and easy to handle during use. Crafted from stainless steel, the GK-1 is both durable and stylish. The water level markings on the kettle allow you to boil up to 1.0 liter of water, perfect for making several cups of pour-over coffee or tea. Customize your brewing temperature. The touchpad base features a real-time temperature display and controls. You can select any temperature between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 60 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, based on your preference. With its 1200 watt power, the GK-1 heats up quickly. No more waiting around. Enjoy your hot beverage soon. The stainless steel kettle, body, and lid come in a sleek, matte black finish, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. In summary, the Cuisinart GK-1 Digital Gooseneck Kettle combines functionality, style, and precision. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or a tea lover, this kettle is a must-have for anyone who appreciates a well-crafted cup. Upgrade your brewing game with the GK-1. Number 4. Bodum 27-ounce Bistro Gooseneck. This elegant kettle is designed specifically for pour-over coffee and tea enthusiasts. The Bodum Bistro kettle holds up to 0.8 liters or 27 ounces of water, making it suitable for personal use or small gatherings. It measures approximately 31.0 centimeters in width, 21.0 centimeters in height, and 15.2 centimeters in depth. The kettle features an ergonomic gooseneck spout, allowing precise control over the water flow, speed, and consistency. This is essential for optimal pour-over brewing. The handle and knob are made from natural, sustainable cork, providing a comfortable grip while protecting your hands from heat. The stylish base includes an easy-to-use power switch and an automatic shut-off feature for peace of mind. The Bodum Bistro Gooseneck Kettle is constructed from attractive and durable stainless steel. It not only looks sleek but also ensures longevity. The all-stainless steel in a wall ensures purity and easy cleaning. This kettle allows you to achieve the perfect water flow for your coffee grounds. The elongated spout ensures precision pouring, which is crucial for evenly saturating the coffee bed. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or a tea lover, this kettle elevates your brewing technique. The kettle is cordless, allowing easy movement around your kitchen or coffee station. The sturdy base boils water with a simple flick of the switch, and the indicator light keeps you informed. The automatic shut-off feature ensures safety and energy efficiency. In summary, the Bodum 27-ounce Bistro Gooseneck electric water kettle combines functionality, style, and precision. Whether you're brewing pour-over coffee or steeping your favorite tea, this kettle is a reliable companion for your daily rituals. Cheers to perfectly brewed beverages. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Kettle. The last one on our list is the Hamilton Beach Electric Water Kettle. This efficient appliance is designed to make your life easier when it comes to boiling water for your favorite beverages or instant meals. The Hamilton Beach Electric Kettle boasts a powerful, rapid boil system that heats water quickly. Whether you're making tea, hot chocolate, or instant soup, this kettle has you covered. Most Hamilton Beach kettles feature a 360-degree rotating or cordless base. This means you can easily lift the kettle off the base for serving without any hassle, with no more awkward angles or tangled cords. Pouring hot water should be effortless. The Stay Cool handle ensures you won't burn your fingers, and the drip-free spout prevents messy spills. Hamilton Beach prioritizes both functionality and safety. Hamilton Beach offers a range of electric kettles to suit your preferences: ultra-fast heating with 1,500 watts, automatic shutoff, and 6 temperature presets. Double wall kettle keeps water warm 2 times longer with double wall construction, a large display, and 5 temperature presets. Stainless steel, electric kettle with an LED light ring, is stylish and functional. It boils water 20% faster than a microwave and includes an LED light ring. The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning a breeze. Cord storage under the base keeps your countertop clutter-free, BPA-free, borosilicate glass interior. The glass kettle ensures that your water remains free from harmful chemicals. In summary, the Hamilton Beach Electric Kettle combines speed, safety, and style. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or need hot water for cooking, this kettle delivers, so go ahead and elevate your beverage game with this reliable kitchen companion. That's all for now. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.